Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to upload HTML verification file to WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, I have HTML file over here. I just downloaded from over here. And what I'm going to do now, just go back to my WordPress admin, click on plugin, click on add new plugin. And under new plugin, I'm going to search for File Manager Pro. Once you search that, you can see this logo. Just remember that and install this. After that, activate it. Once you install that, on the left side of the menu, you will find File Manager, which is new option. Click on this. You will end up over here, and here we are going to upload our HTML. How we can do that? Click on this Upload File Manager option over here. Select Files. As you can see, it's just uploaded over here. After that, go back to your Google Search Console and click on Verify. Let's see it's working now or not. So now as you can see that my ownership verified and it is working now, and this is how to upload HTML file to website. I think this is one of the easiest way to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.